Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You're starting now. Open Google Photos and sign into the account that stores those images. Once signed in, go to Albums, then People and Pets to find the face group. Make sure face grouping is enabled in Settings. If you don't see a group, this groups similar faces so you can edit the label. Tap the person's tile to open their page. You're on the right sheet. Next, you'll remove the assigned name or turn off labeling. Don't skip the person view. Now remove the name. On the person's page, tap the three-dot menu or the name itself to access edit options. Choose Remove Name or tap Edit and clear the text field, then Confirm. That detaches the label from all photos in this group. Once done, make sure to check Settings. If you don't want any names shown anywhere, toggle off face labels or face grouping. This prevents future automatic naming and keeps your photos view private and clean. Finish by verifying the change. Go back to People and Pets and confirm the tile shows no name. If the old label still appears, clear the app cache or sign out and sign in to force a metadata refresh. Make sure you edited the correct Google account. Labels tied to another account won't change here. If problems continue, temporarily disable face grouping, wait a few minutes, then re-enable it. This often forces Google Photos to rebuild groups without the removed name.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.